Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. Hey, welcome back to the Family Resets, our daily steps to strengthen unity. And today, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked, but it is essential for healthy families. It's the power of rest. Day 27 is the power of rest. In our fast-paced world, we glorify being busy, but God designed us to rest. Exodus 28 says, remember the Sabbath day, and by keeping it holy. Rest isn't just about sleep, it's about slowing down, reconnecting with God, and making space for peace in our homes. When we rest, we reset, not just physically, but mentally and spiritually. So today, here's what I'm challenging you to do. Create a moment of rest for yourself, maybe a nap, or in your family. Turn off distractions, take a deep breath, and just enjoy some quiet time together, whether it's a walk, reading, or just sitting in stillness. Give yourself permission to just pause. Rest is a gift, not a weakness. Let's rest our families by making time to recharge, refresh, and we will see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. Rest, rest, rest. You ever just had everybody sit down? I love when we go on camping trips and we just lay down in the trailer or out in the, on the lawn chair and just rest. Get some rest. Talk to you guys soon. See you tomorrow.